Welcome to this Easy Tech News Fix-It channel, and I want to share a article that could be of interest for a lot of people. You know, we're in that time where a lot of people are actually looking for some computers. Some, of course, are working from home and may actually notice that they might be working from home for quite a while now, and are wondering if that is, what do I need and what are the best PCs out there. We know that the PC market is growing this year, and that's a big chunk of it has to do with the fact that the confinement makes people work from home. They needed new computers. One of the things that is, of course, always a question for a lot of people is what laptop is one of the best laptops out there. Now, there's a lot of nice stuff, but I will share in the description below this video a link to a TechRadar article that was updated a few days ago, which is the best laptop 2020, and they give you 15 of the best. So there's, of course, every price range in there from $2,000 computers down to sub $1,000 computers that you can actually check out. So check the list. You might find something interesting in there. This list is not just a list for PCs with Windows, but a list for computers. So there will be some Apple Macs in there, possibly, maybe Chromebooks. Check it out, and of course, it depends on your own usage. I always say the same thing. I do not think buying $400 laptops is a good idea, because they usually don't perform well and aren't necessarily of good quality most of the time. This is a place where if you want to have something that's going to last a long time, you better put the price on it a little more. So the link to this article is in the description below the video, so you can check out TechRadar's own picks of what is the best 15 best laptops that you can buy for 2020. This is, of course, November 9th, 2020, or maybe you're looking for something for Christmas coming up quite fast, actually. So check it out. The link to this article is in the description below the video. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.